Meet AirPix, the world's smallest and easiest aerial camera ever made. Capture HD photos and videos never before possible. Then share them like magic right from the app. It's like having a personal photographer in your pocket. Take it everywhere and put away the selfie sticks forever. AirPix works with just one touch. It will fly, frame, snap, and return, all by itself. So cool and so easy. If you want more control, just use the in-app joystick. You can also turn on 360 mode to automatically take pictures all around. And it will follow your face for the perfect picture. You can even control it with gestures. In the app, customize your pics and then post them instantly to your favorite social stream. You can even live stream real-time adventures from the air. Wowing your friends and followers has never been this easy, and it's packed with features like Italian design, 12 megapixel photos, HD video, 60-foot range, 6+ minutes of flight time, and smooth air flight stabilization. Welcome to the future of personal photography.
Introducing Selfie, a smart autonomous flying camera that doubles as a 9mm thin phone case. It is with you at all times, ready to capture and share the perfect shot you could only dream of. Selfie takes off and hovers autonomously, operated in real time through your phone to catch the perfect shot you want. Selfie flies by itself like an invisible tripod, easily controlled by adjusting the frame with simple hand gestures. Selfie is a smart flying camera. Anything your smartphone is able to detect or process could be sent to control Selfie and enable incredible features like face and smile recognition, sweep panoramic, or even follow your movements. And of course, you can share them instantly on all your social platforms. Selfie folds to a 9mm slim design thanks to the unique motor folding mechanism, so it can easily fit comfortably in your pocket. Selfie is your point of view from a new, exciting angle.
We set out to pioneer the future of robotics. We've unlocked the power of advanced mobile processors that enable us to run cutting-edge AI algorithms on it. With this technology, we created Hover Camera, which allows anyone to capture photos and video from unique perspectives.
To use Hover Camera is very simple.
Power it on,
Flip it open like this, and you can hold anywhere. When you let go, it just hovers automatically.
With Hover Camera, you can take 13 megapixel photos and 4K video. We've replaced a traditional gimbal with electronic image stabilization so that your shots are always steady. Hover Camera is the first truly autonomous flying camera that anyone can use. And it's powered by our groundbreaking embedded AI technologies.
We built a ton of sophisticated AI algorithms into this small circuit board. It runs a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 2.3 GHz quad-core processor.
This enables us to run complex calculations locally without the need for a remote server.
The AI was developed in such a way that it reduces the learning curve so anyone can operate it out of the box. That's why we've designed a revolutionary user experience that centers around hovering.
Hovering is actually more difficult than just flying.
The reason it hovers so steadily is because it's running optical flow on its downward viewing camera and visual slam from the front viewing camera.
That's how it gauges its own speed and position at all times. On top of that, we're running advanced flight control algorithms at 1 kHz. It's so intelligent that it follows people automatically as they move around. It does this without GPS, but instead using real-time facial and body recognition.